I am here to proselytize, so pay heed. Change does not occur with slow and steady progress over time. Change is not a chronological event. It happens in one moment. One moment, Negroes were in chains as slaves, and the next moment, they were not. One moment, Negroes couldn't sit at lunch counters or date white women or move next door to white people or go to white businesses, and the next moment, they could. So it is up to you, the sheeple, to decide if that moment in time is upon us, where one moment pot is illegal and everyone is criminalized and we live in chaos, and in the next moment, mens rea. We are set free by law to enjoy our lives, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Is that moment going to be right now? So until next week, Confab, may you look inward, outward, and upward to find peace, love, and stars. Take care.
We're kicking it with the Kingpin Thorn Peters on pot. Make sure you come again every Sunday at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Time. I know I will.
I'll be there for you, babe.
Strike up the band. It's time we party. Show up when we party. We party hardy, calling all freaks. Out in the city, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Everybody clap.
I am a pot smoker. I love smoking pot with smoking hot women.